Hey, what's going on, YouTube? We're here in the corner of Bourbon Street in New Orleans, about to try something a little bit different. And you're gonna check it out right after this.
I go with the VISO'S logo and everything in my hand.
There's Eric, and he's gonna try his lucky dog.
Oh, everything except onions.
What comes with it?
Huh?
What comes with it?
Chili, onions, ketchup, and mustard.
Chili, onions, ketchup. Are you ready?
I'm ready for Lucky Dog. That was no onions, correct? Yeah, everything but onions. I am getting everything except onions. I don't mind onions, but I'm gonna go without the onions on the hot dog. I think the toppings, everything else sounds perfect, so I'm gonna go without the onions, but everything
Perfect.
else.
Perfect. I think mine is gonna be everything but chili.
Everything but chili.
Yeah.
All right. Yes, sir.
And I take one with everything but chili. I don't want chili. Well, let's take a look at this. Wow. Very nice.
Thank you. There you go, sir.
You're not eating?
Making a YouTube video?
Yes.
There we go.
Yeah, we are.
What's your YouTube? I'm gonna subscribe. I want to see it.
VISO'S travel. All right. Right now, let's give it a taste.
Yes, VISO'S.
Very good, very good. The dogs are good.
It's good.
New Orleans good.
How is it out of 10?
What do you think?
You tell me, VISO.
Yeah, I give it a 10.
Awesome.
You give it a 10 over there?
I give it a fucking 11. God damn it.
So the other hot dog over there, it was very, very good hot dog for being from the street. So meats right here. But what do you think about the hot dog?
The hot dog was hot.
Hot.
No, it was delicious.
It was delicious.
It was so good.
Did you get jalapenos on it? Oh, you did? Jalapenos?
No, I didn't.
Oh,
I thought
okay.
you said did I get happiness from it. I got happiness from it.
Eric.
Hand grenade up.
Eric, how about the hot dog?
That hot dog was excellent.
That was
I will
excellent.
definitely get more Lucky Dogs.
All right, well, there you have it. In the corner of Bourbon Street and what other street?
Toulouse.
What is it? Toulouse.
Hey guys,
Street.
I can't believe it took me this long to try a Lucky Dog.
So until we
great.
see each other again,
Life is short. Travel more.
there we go.